The Honda NX500 is the choice for daily commuters and weekend touring. It's powered by a sturdy, lightweight chassis that delivers a comfortable, confident ride. The NX500 delivers rugged ADV styling and an upright riding position, ready for whatever the ride throws at you. And with all-around performance at an affordable price. This ADV model is powered by a powerful twin-cylinder engine that delivers more power and performance than you could ask for. The NX500 is a compelling choice for entry-level adventure riders and veteran enthusiasts alike. PGM-FI continuously monitors multiple variables to ensure the correct fuel mixture is delivered in all conditions for the sharpest throttle response and most power. Premium technology in the form of a 5-inch full-color TFT display inherited from the XL750 Transalp uses optical bonding to maximize visibility in bright sunlight. By sealing the gap between the cover glass and the TFT display with resin, glare is minimized and backlight transmission is increased. The light can be customized between bar, circle, and simple display patterns. A ABS braking system comes standard, allowing for smoother, more controlled stops, even in adverse riding conditions such as rain and gravel. The LED headlight and multifaceted reflectors provide excellent visibility and feature a clean, stylish design. The tall windscreen is designed to provide excellent protection from the elements and enhance the rugged, adventure look. Honda ProLink rear suspension, with a 9-stage preload adjustable shock with a large diameter inner tube, is designed for improved damping characteristics in a variety of terrains and a smoother ride. Like its adventure capabilities, the bike has the right ADV look: sleek, stylish, and no nonsense. Plus, the upright seating position allows for freedom of movement. A slipper assist clutch reduces clutch lever effort by 45% compared to the previous system and minimizes rear wheel kick during hard deceleration. The swing arm, used across the Honda 500 range, is nearly 2 pounds lighter and stiffer than the previous version. That's one reason for the superb handling.